Kung naghahanap pa din kayo ng mga pwedeng ilagay sa Taipei itinerary nyo, ilaban nyo na tong Beito Yangmingshan Tour. Super fun ng tour na to and we had ample time to enjoy each area for photos and just experiencing the beauty of Taiwan. You can book it on Klook and use my promo code ICHIKLOOK to save more on your booking. Ang meetup ay sa Exit East 3 ng Taipei Main Station. Makikita nyo doon ang tour guide nyo na may hawak na whiteboard at meron din naman siyang Klook na nilagay doon. Sabay-sabay kayo aariba papunta ng bus. Ang first stop nyo ay yung Xiaoyu Keng Recreational Area. Don't forget na umakyat kayo dun sa mountain for the best view. Next is Yangmingshan, which you will first start sa may waterfalls na I really like. Afterwards naman is the iconic flower clock. Note lang din na you are also free to roam around on your own since may call time naman sa bus. Then nag-lunch kami dito sa isang steak place sa Beito na hindi namin nabet. Then lakad na kayong lahat papunta sa Beito area. Paakyat pala siya pero manageable naman ang walk dito. You get to the Thermal Valley and you can have your free time here as well around the area. Afterwards, you will be on your last stop na sa Shilin Residence. Ito yung next stop na akala namin bahay pero malaking park pala siya. Ang tour drop-off pala ay sa Shilin Night Market, hindi sa Taipei Main Station ha, which was ideal for us kasi matagal na namin gustong mag-explore dito and eat street food. And that's it. Make sure to book it on Klook together with your Taiwan hotels and other activities and use my promo code ICHIKLOOK. See you soon!